This is the demo video for Project D, the Visionist screenshotting tool. So our project was a script that can be run through the command line. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clear it. And so to type in our script, you type in a few arguments into the command line. So the first argument is the name of the executable. The second argument is the name that we're gonna name the file. So in this one, I'm just gonna call it demo. The next one is the amount of time you want to pause for. This next path is our path where everything is going to get saved. The next argument is a string that contains keywords that go into the alt tag and are used for comparisons. And the final argument is a path that we start our search from. And we also can include two optional arguments that do some image processing features. So if we go ahead and run our program, you can see that we saved into output 3. So if we go into output 3, ls, and we can see everything that was created. And if we go over to the file system, we can see that here's the screenshot that our program took. Here's the HTML tag file that was generated. Here is one image comp report. And here's another image comp report.
There's one feature that we did not get to showcase in the first part of the demo, and that is the ability for the screenshotting tool to pull out text from an image or extract text from an image. And the reason why this wasn't shown in the initial demo is because we did not have the proper user permissions on Bucknell's Linux system to install the right tools so that this would work. However, on Visionist's Linux system, as long as the users that are using this tool have the right user permissions to install this tool called PyTesseract, they should have absolutely no issues with running this. But for our purposes, I'll show this through Mac. So as you can see, I have at the bottom here some arguments to run the tool, and I have an example image here that we will run the extracting text from image function on. So if we run the entire program and then we bring this up so that it only screenshots this image, it should be able to pull out these obvious words that are shown in this image, and it will put it into an additional text file called extractedwords.txt. So that has probably been about 5 seconds. Yep, this is run all the way through. And so now we have all of the other text files that have been created for any screenshot, as well as this extracted words.txt. And here we can see the words that the program was able to programmatically pull out from this image here. And yeah, so that basically showcases the entirety of our screenshotting tool. Thank you for watching our demo, and I hope that this tool is useful for those that will be using it.